On an early winter morning, snow blanketed the small town of West Malm, Michigan. At 7:15 a.m., police received an urgent call reporting a domestic violence incident. When they arrived, the small house was shrouded in icy mist, and the heavy tension in the air hinted at a tragedy waiting to unfold.
It's West Malm Police. Can I come in?
You know what? I forgot to answer the door. I just got home.
Okay. Can you let me in so I can talk to you?
I'm okay.
Okay.
The door's locked. He's not allowed back in until I want what I need to feel okay.
I know, but can I come in?
Please, I literally.
Do you have it latched? There we go. Perfect.
You're
going
the dog.
What's going on?
What's going on?
Yeah, what's the issue today? Just tell me from your point of view. What's
my
going on?
perception, you can't do that to me. I just got home.
Okay. Where'd you get home from?
Your office.
My office?
Oh, the police or the hospital.
Oh,
Who cares if he goes?
Oh, you're at the hospital. Okay.
Yeah.
Were you at the
There
hospital?
she is!
Who's that?
The person that makes me look stupid. Hey, Jacqueline!
There's no female out there.
I know.
There's
Listen. Listen, Scott, you're going away this time. I'll do everything and anything.
So what?
Sign my life. I'm
Ma'am,
serious.
Ma'am, do you want to talk to me? So what?
Just got home.
So what happened today? Hey,
Scott,
just focus
you
on me.
come in here.
Come here,
No,
just
no,
focus
no,
on me. Just focus on me.
can't.
Why? Just focus on me. Just talk to
You
me.
know my kids.
What's going on?
What's going on?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what's going
I'm
on.
married to a police. I just got home. They.
You were at the hospital.
I was at the hospital. Look me up.
Yeah, okay.
Swear to God.
Yeah, I believe you. I believe you. You're
What
right.
do you think I've done in the matter of time? Because he thinks I'm having my mom.
You have proof that what?
That he has sex with my mom.
That he's having sex with
Swear
your
to
mom?
God, President. Did you say that over again one more time? See, I don't like that. I know you have to repeat it because you have to.
Well, you whispered it, so I just want to make sure that I have the
I
story
don't want to
straight.
go on blast.
Okay. What makes you think that he's having sex with your mom?
Oh, there's various reasons.
What is the main reason?
The main reason is my mom is trash.
Okay.
So is my husband. I had an affair with one of his best friends. Sorry, you just walked. I'm like, what?
Did you say you had an affair with one of his best friends?
Yes.
Okay. Does he know that?
Yes.
Yeah, he does. Okay.
3 years later, yeah.
Okay.
The atmosphere inside the house turned chaotic. When officers asked what was happening, the woman began rambling, accusing her husband of sleeping with her mother and admitting she once had an affair with his friend. Her voice was incoherent, her eyes wild, revealing signs of mental instability and intense jealousy.
No, I was just wondering
I don't mean to be a smartass, but I've already been here, done that. You're taking him this time. What does it take for you to do it?
So what? Okay, so what happened today? You got back from the hospital. And
Can you please go out there and ask him this time?
there's an officer talking to him
I
right
just
now.
got home. There
Okay.
was no room for me to do anything. I swear to God, you think I'm lying? I just got home.
Okay. What time did you get
And you're
home?
like, oh, what time did you get in? Look at her feet. Look at You're the jerk.
What time did you get home?
You know what? I don't remember what time it was exactly. Call the hospital.
Okay. What? I was just hoping.
Good Samaritan.
Okay.
They took me, and you can go ahead and call them.
So
I mean,
Okay.
so don't.
Okay. So we're there.
Please, I'm sorry.
You
You're
just
a man.
you just got released from the hospital. What happened after that? You came
I
home.
came home.
So what happened with your husband?
What do you think?
I don't know. That's why I'm asking
He's-
you.
What's your last name? Hi, sorry. You just looked for me. Sorry. What happened after that?
Yeah. What happened with your husband?
Why do you keep looking at my toes? I don't like that. I don't know. I just You think I'm not checking out, okay? Listen, you go check him this time. Admit him. Let him go.
Did you get in an argument with your husband a few minutes ago, like 10 minutes ago or whatever?
Yes.
Okay. Did you hit him or anything?
No.
Did he hit you?
No.
Okay.
I'm nuts because this is where they will leave.
Okay.
I'm sorry, she kicked me.
She kicked you? Did you kick her?
No!
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Did you push her? No. Did you push?
I would have been able to be in hands reach with that asshole and
Okay.
not wanted to be.
Yeah. So
You
you
know
didn't.
what? Why doesn't anyone
So you
ever
didn't-
believe me?
Where's your ID, Shannon?
Where's my ID?
Yeah, your driver's
It's
license.
I know name. And don't take me because I'm being cocky.
I don't care
This
if you're
is just
cocky.
listen.
Well, you're not telling us what happened. I've talked to you numerous times.
And what?
Okay. So
You're
I
the
know
jerk.
who you are.
Shannon, why don't you just
And
tell?
you know what?
I'm just saying, like, you just
You know
explained
who
to me.
he is?
Yes, I talked to him.
About what? Oh, so you believe that?
I'm not saying that. That's why I'm here talking to you, Shannon.
So tell me why you've been here numerous times.
I
and
said I
it's
just. That's
not.
it. It's fine. I have.
No,
no
it's
issues
not
with that.
fine. Don't use that against me.
Okay, so
I'm
what happened
sorry.
today? Did
Well,
you
what did happen today? Please.
after you got home at like 4 a.m, right? Time until he called us. Did you lock him out of the house?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Do you have socks or shoes?
Why?
Okay, I need you to put socks and shoes on.
Why? I'm not going anywhere.
Well, that's what you think.
No. Okay. Guess what?
What?
After speaking separately with the husband and daughter, officers quickly noticed major inconsistencies in the mother's statements. Both victims described violent behavior, while she repeatedly denied everything and showed signs of mental instability. After assessing the situation, police decided to arrest the mother to ensure the family's safety.
Get out of my house.
No. Okay. So turn around.
No!
You're under arrest for domestic.
Ma'am.
Stop. Stop.
Stop. Please stop.
That's
Yes.
Relax.
Hold on. Yeah, just relax.
Just relax. Relax. It's gonna be okay.
okay.
Don't fight us. Please don't fight us.
Why are you doing this? Call the hospital before you take me.
You have your discharge paperwork?
Yes.
Okay.
I do. Before you
Where's that at?
over there.
Okay.
Can you please come and save me from this?
He's in the car. He can't hear you.
Do you have any shoes we can get you?
I swear. Listen. You can't take me.
Stop moving, please.
No.
Just relax.
I just got home.
Hold on. Don't move him.
Bullshit.
These are going to tighten on you.
Fucking-
You're gonna hurt yourself. Please stop.
You hurt me now.
Where do you
So
have
I'm
shoes
just gonna let you take advantage of my.
at? Hey, stop.
Hey,
Shannon.
no. Hey,
Where's your discharge?
Who's the
Where's
one
your
that's
shoes?
doing-
Where's your shoes?
no. The discharge papers. Mom's got. You know.
Huh?
Can we please get you some shoes?
No.
You want to walk out in the snow?
I know my husband's here.
He's in the car. Yes, he's in the car though.
Okay,
he
so
can't
I'm
hear
not talking to nobody. Sorry, I didn't know that.
you. That's why I'm letting you know that he
Oh,
can't hear you.
you're letting me know this.
Okay, so where's your shoes at? You have shoes over here that you can put on because it's snowy and cold out.
No, I just got home. And I went there and no.
Can we get you some shoes?
No.
What? I don't want your feet to get cold.
Yeah.
Well, I feel like you give a shit.
We do.
Please! No, you
Can we
don't.
get you some
If you
shoes?
gave a shit, you would listen to everything for.
Well, I tried. You're
Try
listening.
when?
And I tried talking to you and you refused to talk.
When was
So
that?
here's the thing. All right,
I will never.
your daughter says that you kicked her in the leg, and your husband says that you pushed him. So that's called a domestic, and you're going with us for a domestic. So to make this super easy, we're going to get through this super easy. We need your shoes, and then in the discharge paperwork, because
Gives me black eyes.
okay, it's a copy of it.
The officers showed concern for her, noticing that she was barefoot while the ground outside was covered in snow. Despite the tense situation, they gently urged her to put on a pair of shoes, reminding her that it was cold and they didn't want her to get hurt or freeze while being escorted out.
Okay,
Where's your
yes.
shoes?
I can't. It's hard for me to get this when I'm like this.
You tell us where it is, and we'll get it.
I don't even remember where it is. It's somewhere. You don't believe me?
I believe you. I was just asking. If you
check.
can't find
I
the
swear to
district, that's
God.
fine. That's fine. If you can't find the paperwork, that's fine.
No,
You
no,
just need
no,
shoes.
no, no, no.
I'm gonna check that closet.
We're gonna find it.
Just hold on to it.
We're gonna find it.
Are these yours?
You don't have to hold on.
I just don't want you to.
These your
fall.
shoes?
Jeez.
Yes.
These are your shoes? Perfect.
No, I don't want shoes.
Well, you have to.
You're gonna have to wear shoes. I'm sorry.
Okay. I understand.
You hate me.
I
You
don't
don't
hate you.
understand. You do.
No, I don't.
What is D1 copy and assist at the sick person?
Hey, don't take it. Listen, they already know I'm telling you the
It's like
truth.
1727.
Do you have a phone, an ID that you want to bring with you?
With me.
Yes, because you have to come with us to the police department.
He needs to go with you.
Okay. Why?
Why do I have to go?
Why does Scott need to go with us?
Why do I have to go with you?
Because I told you you kicked your daughter in the leg.
But I didn't.
Okay. Well, she's saying
Call
that she's.
my.
Here, put your shoe on.
Can you call my husband?
Put your
Your
shoe on.
husband is
Because-
outside talking to I talked to your husband already.
No, it is.
So what? Why does he have to go? Tell me why he needs to go.
Put this one on too.
I just got
Here.
home.
I understand that.
You let me go. So call the Great Hospital or Good Samaritan.
but you're not going. You're not going to. You're not going
Yes,
to.
I'm going to do what you're saying.
Okay, but you're not
But
going
I
to
don't-
jail because you got out of the hospital. You're going to jail because for a domestic battery. That's why. Okay?
You
That's
think
all
I
you're doing.
overstepped him?
Do you want to put your shoes on, please?
Come on, just put your shoes on.
Come on.
I should.
Just put your shoes on.
Black eyes. Oh my God.
Sit down. Do you need help putting them on? Do you have like?
Do
Do you have shoes that have like?
Put your foot in.
this-
Oh God, no, I'm sorry. I wasn't planning on getting arrested.
Put your foot in.
You're holding that.
I don't want you to fall.
You fault you hate me. You're an
I
ass.
don't hate you.
Sorry, no offense.
I really don't know who you are, and every
You
time,
do.
But every time I've
You
dealt
just-
with you, you have been nice to me, so I have no reason to hate you. I know.
I've just been through this.
I understand that you are going
Taking
through
the
a lot.
wrong person.
What?
Taking the wrong- What did I do? Oh, they can't have my husband and my kids come in here and save their life. They'll stay.
These are a little tight. They're just.
Don't look.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear what you said. I'm looking at you so I can hear you. I'm not. I'm
You
trying
weren't
to hear
just
what.
looking.
I'm
There
looking
we
at
go.
you so I can hear
Then
what
lift
you're
up your
saying.
hat, please. Please take these off.
What's up?
Please take these off.
I can't. I can't.
There we
You
go.
can't? Why?
Let's try this
You're
again.
under arrest.
Why?
Your foot. Come on.
Why am I under
For
arrest?
domestic battery. That's why. Your foot. Come on. Your
Because
foot.
who did I hurt?
Your daughter.
Are you kidding?
Stop. Sit down. Put your foot up.
Cinderella, are you ready? Let's go.
Come on. Put your foot up, please. Come on. It's cold outside. I don't want you walking out in the snow without any shoes. Come on.
Please put your foot in here. Thank you.
Like I said, you've been nice to me every time I've dealt with you.
Oh, it's
And I
this is
The officers even helped her put on her shoes, a small yet meaningful gesture that reflected their sense of duty and compassion. Despite having to make an arrest, they treated her with respect and care, showing that their responsibility was not only to enforce the law, but also to protect her well-being.
coming.
And I understand that you are going through some stuff right now.
So
There's nothing-
give me the benefits out, and why don't
But I
you
can't do
knowing
that because
you
it's-
can't?
I can't. Unfortunately, I can't this time. I can't just give you the benefit of the doubt. If I
You
could, I
can't.
would.
Can I?
What?
If I could, I would.
If I could, yes. It's a
I have a camera.
Okay.
Can I prove to you that I didn't do that?
The camera shows the whole house.
Oh, I've been setting shit up at my house for a long time.
Okay. So do you have a phone or an ID that you want to take?
I do.
Where's it at?
Across the driveway here.
Where's your phone and your ID? Tell us and we'll grab it for you.
Oh my God! You stop treating me, please, like I
Well, you
did
can't grab
something
it 'cause you're-
wrong.
But you
No
already-
shit, I can't grab
I
it.
know, Tom. We're trying to help you out.
I don't have an ID. 'cause
Okay,
it's
that's fine.
taken.
That's fine. Do you have
You
a
should
cell
know.
phone? Do you have a cell phone you want
Oh,
to
I
take?
sure do.
Where's it at?
Doesn't matter.
Do you? Okay.
I don't need it for anything.
Okay,
I
that's
just
fine.
want someone to wipe my nose, wipe my tears.
Okay. You have a paper? Is there paper
You know
towels
what?
in there?
Oh, you don't blame me? Can you just call? I swear to God, I'm not lying.
Okay. All right. All right. You ready? We're gonna go walk up to my squad car. Okay. Come on. Come on.
Here comes my mom.
Slow down.
No, I'm not slowing
It's
down.
snowy. I don't want you to fall.
Here's my mom. Good job. Oh, and oh, you're going away because there you go, Mom. You can tell them not to take me.
Come on.
Dirt coming from you. Yes, hold on. You believe me.
One second.
It's not funny. Nothing is funny.
Sorry.
Just have a seat. Sit first, okay?
Mom,
Sit down. Thank you.
can you uncuff me? Because this, I have skin graft
Okay, when we
and it hurts.
I understand.
Oh, you think I'm going to hurt? Okay.
Stop. Hold on. Let me see it. If it's tight, I will loosen it. Stop. Put them behind your bed because you're tightening it. Sit straight up. There you go. Okay.
The mother was taken to the police station in a state of agitation and emotional distress. The case was treated as a domestic battery incident with elements of child abuse. Her husband and daughter were temporarily separated from her for safety, and Child Protective Services were notified to intervene. She will likely undergo a mental health evaluation before facing court. Behind every domestic violence case may lie untreated emotional pain. When emotions spiral out of control, the consequences are not just conflict, but the loss of family. Seek medical or psychological help early, because a single impulsive moment can destroy the future of both yourself and those you love.